Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsey. Today I'm excited to share with you my 5th alternative card using the January 2023 paper pumpkin kit called Key to My Heart. This fun kit created 9 cards, 3 in 3 different designs. I love the fun color combination and unique images that these cards have, especially for Valentine's. So I've already shared 4 other alternative projects, and now I'm working with some of the scrap pieces that I have left over from those projects. Today I'm going to share how you can put those together to create this fun card. If you are interested in subscribing to get your own paper pumpkin kit, please do so using the link in the description below. If you are interested in seeing all of my alternative projects, you can click on the playlist in the top right corner, or if you're interested in subscribing to my YouTube channel, please click on the link in the bottom right corner. So we're going to begin with those leftover pieces from our last 4 alternative cards. This piece is the petal pink piece that came from the card base. This is the card back, and I think we used it for card number 1. And it does not have the watercolor on the inside. It's just straight petal pink. And then this is the Fresh Freesia card base that we have left over, but it doesn't really matter what size they are. We're just going to take these 2 pieces and we're going to start by stamping on them. I'm going to use Calypso Coral so that I can tie in that fun bright orangey red color, and I'm going to stamp this decorative circle onto my petal pink in a pattern. And I don't want it to be quite as dark, and so I'm going to stamp off first. So it's going to look something like this. Next, I'm going to use the key image that came in the stamp set, and I am going to stamp the key in Fresh Freesia ink onto the Fresh Freesia piece. And just going to try to do this randomly and at different angles. So either rotate your stamp or rotate the paper to help you get those different angles. So maybe something like this. So I'm going to begin by adding the petal pink piece to a card base of Calypso Coral, and I am going to add it so that it's about 1.25 inches on each side, and it should go all the way to the top. Then I want to add a little bit of splatter, and I'm going to do that with my Calypso Coral Stampin' Right marker. On the brush tip side, you're just going to pop it into your lid and then flick it out. And you do have to do it with some force. Now I'm going to start adding some of the details to the card. I've got the Fresh Freesia piece, and I'm going to add this with some of the dimensionals that came in the kit. So this will just go in the center, maybe just a little lower than the center, but make sure that it's centered horizontally on the card. So then we can add some of our other little details. Next, I'm going to use this strip of fine shimmer gold paper, and it's been cut to 1/2 inch by 4 3/4 inches. And then I'm going to add my Mango Melody lock to the right side at an angle. I've got another piece of the vellum. This comes in the kit. I'm just going to add that maybe about here, and I am going to place it so that it's over the lock just a little bit. And then I've got my greeting, and it's "Love is the key," and I'm just going to pop that right in the center of that vellum piece over the lock. And those do all have dimensionals to kind of help them pop up. And that card is all done. Really quick, simple, easy card with those leftover scraps from our other alternative projects. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching me create this card. If you're interested in seeing written instructions or close-up images on how I created it, you can visit my blog, creativechelsey.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.